अब हाम्रो नेक्स्ट च्याप्टर हेलोएरिनबाट सुरु गरौँ। सो हेलोएरिन्स भनेको generally it is also the organic compound having halogen as a functional group, and arenes भनेपछि it is simply a aromatic compound. Aromatic compounds. Aromatic compound भने के हो? So aromatic compounds are those compounds which have ring-like structure. For example, benzene. Benzene. So benzene को structure कस्तो हुन्छ भने leave this, leave this. So यो हाम्रो benzene simply हामीले यसलाई so this is benzene. So aromatic halogen compounds लाई दुईटा पार्टमा डिभाइड गरिएको छ. One is aryl halides simply known as haloarenes, and the next one is aryl alkyl halide. Benzene ringमा one methyl halide is attached. So in this, the X atom is directly bonded to the carbon atom of benzene ring. So benzene ring सँग directly कुनै पनि X, that means halogen attached छ भने that is known as aryl halides, whereas when the X atom is directly bonded to the carbon atom of the side chain, so this is a benzene ring and यो कार्बन भनेको यसको साइड चेन हो. सो साइड चेनमा इफ कुनै पनि हेलोजन अट्याच छ, द्याट मिन्स क्लोरिन, ब्रोमिन or iodine, then they are simply known as aryl alkyl halides. So यहाँ चाहिँ अब these are the organic haloarenes are the represented by ARX. So these are the organic compound in which X atom, that means halogen atom is directly bonded to carbon atom of benzene nucleus. So these are the halogen derivatives of benzene. So for example, this is chlorobenzene, so that is Cl is attached with benzene. The next one is bromobenzene. This one is iodobenzene. So other examples are like हामीले यसमा नेमिङ पनि गर्न सक्छौँ. Like this one is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. So chlorine तीनटा chlorine छ and कुन कुन पार्टमा 1, 2 and 3. So it is called as 1, 2, 3 trichlorobenzene. यसमा के छ भने ब्रोमिन, क्लोरिन एन्ड आयोडिन तीनटा अट्याच भएर आएको छ. सो यस्तो केसमा हामीले के अल्फाबेटिकल अर्डर हेर्न पर्छ. सो सबसे पहिले आउने भनेको ब्रोमो, then after C and then after I. So 1 bromo, 2 chloro and 3 iodobenzene. अब यसको नेमिङ हेरौँ. इफ यो हाम्रो एउटा बेन्जिन रिङ हो, सो दिस वान इज बेन्जिन रिङ. सो हामीले लाइक यसलाई एउटा फिक्स पोइन्ट मानौँ. सो दिस इज 1. सो अब यसको दुईपट्टि लाइक योसँग अट्याच भएको एडजेसेन्ट दुईवटा कार्बनलाई हामीले के भन्छौँ? अर्थो. द्याट इज 1 and 2. इफ यहाँ अट्याच भएको कुनै फङ्सनल ग्रुप छ एन्ड यहाँ पनि अट्याच छ भने द्याट टु आर अट्याच टु अर्थो. सो अब यो कन्स्ट्यान्ट नै हुन्छ. सो 1 एन्ड लाइक एउटा स्किप गरेर यसलाई स्किप गरौँ एन्ड नेक्स्ट इज एट दिस पोजिसन. So that is 1 and 3. So they are considered as meta. And if you दुईटा पनि स्किप गरेर डाइरेक्टली 1 and यसको अपोजिट छ भने that is considered as para. So if एउटा एक्जाम्पल भनौँ, here is 1 Cl and here is Cl. यसमा के भन्न सक्छ हामीले? अर्थो. So it is ortholized simply O and dichlorobenzene. So it is dichlorobenzene. If यहाँ नभएर if the chlorine is attached at this position, so now one Cl is here and the next Cl is here, so it is considered as meta. And if Now, if one chlorine is attached here at one and next at this position, then it is called as para. So यहाँ हामीले isomerism त्यो कुरालाई हेर्न सक्छौँ. So dihalogen substituted benzene shows following isomer, that is 1 2 dihalogen benzene, that is maybe ortho or meta or para. So one chlorine is here fixed and the next chlorine keeps rotating. So first one it is attached at ortho position, then after it is attached as para position, sorry, meta position, and next para positions. So now the general preparation of haloarenes. Haloarenes. So first के हो, by direct halogenation of benzene. So this one is benzene ring. Benzene ring like directly halogen atom or halogen moleculeसँग react गराए in presence of FeX3 or ALX. In dark it gives halobenzene, यो H सँग replace हुन्छ and it gives halobenzene and HX, that is haloacid as a byproduct. For example क्लोरोस हामी यहाँ हामीलाई एज अ byproduct HCl chloric acid आछ भने this the main major product is chlorobenzene. The next is from benzene diazonium chloride. So यो चाहिँ हाम्रो benzene ring छ. If when benzene ring is attached with N double bond and Cl, that is this compound is known as benzene diazonium. Benzene diazonium chloride, simply known as BDC. If it is reacted with Cu2 Cl2 in presence of HCl and heat is passed, then it gives chlorobenzene. So this reaction is known as Sandmeyer's reaction. So यो पोइन्टहरु एकदमै नोट गर्नुपर्ने कुरा हो. सो यो चाहिँ एक्जामहरुमा सोधिरहेको हुन्छ, व्हाट इज Sandmeyer's reaction. सो त्यतिबेला हामीले benzene diazonium chloride reacted with cuprous chloride to give a benzene chlorobenzene भन्न सक्नुपर्छ. So the next one is if Cu powder is used instead of Cu2 Cl2 or Cu2 Br2, then the reaction is known as Gutterman reaction. अब if benzene diazonium chloride छ and it is reacted with copper powder in presence of HCl, it gives chlorobenzene and nitrogen gas is. If same the copper को चाहिँ यहाँ powder and the acid is HBr, then it attach with Br and we can get the bromobenzene and N2 gas. Now these are some of the preparation of haloarenes. Now start its chemical properties. So chemical properties हामीले फर्स्टमा nucleophilic substitution reaction. Also, so haloarenes are less reactive than haloalkanes. हामीले haloalkane च्याप्टरमा nucleophilic substitution reaction के हो, nucleophilic भनेको के हो, nucleophiles are generally the species having high number of electrons or negative charge भएको species हो. So त्यस्तो nucleophile अल्केनसँग haloalkaneसँग रियाक्ट गरेर कस्तो कस्तो टाइपको रियाक्सनहरु त्यसमा पर्छ त्यो सबै कुरा हामीले haloalkaneमा पढिसकेका छौं. अब त्यही nucleophile when it reacts with haloarenes then कस्तो टाइपको रिजल्ट आउँछ त्यो चाहिँ पढौं. So first one के छ, action with dilute NaOH or aqueous KOH. So chlorobenzene, when chlorobenzene reacts with NaOH, it replaces the Cl and ONA gets attached with the benzene ring, and after the acidification with H plus ion it gives OH, यो भनेको phenol. So यहाँबाट हामीले के गर्न सक्छौं कि from chlorobenzene we can prepare phenol. So हामीले phenol च्याप्टरमा यो पनि एउटा one of the ways to prepare phenol भनेर पढ्छौं. The next one is action with ammonia, that is ammonolysis. When chlorobenzene reacts with ammonia, it gives aniline and N-S-4Cl. The next is action with cuprous cyanide, that is Cu2 and Cn2 whole twice. So when chlorobenzene reacts with Cu2 and Cn whole twice in presence of pyridine and DMF and heat is given at 200 degrees Celsius, it gives phenyl cyanide, that is also known as benzonitrile. So यहाँ बेन्जिन रिङ छ, योसँग अट्याच भएर सिएन आएको रहेछ. So these all are aromatic compounds. Now reaction of phenyl cyanide. When the phenyl cyanide that is benzene attached with CN group, then for the complete hydrolysis, partial hydrolysis and reduction. So यहाँ तीनटा केस आउन सक्छ. When there is a complete hydrolysis, then it gives benzoic acid, that is N replaced भएर OOH attached हुन्छ and it gives benzoic acid. When it is partially hydrolysis is done, then सबै totally replace हुँदैन, just ONH2 is added, CONH2 is added, that means it is benzamide. Benzamide is formed. And lastly, when the reduction takes place, then it gives benzylamine. Now the next reaction is about reduction reaction. So in reduction reactions, the chlorobenzene, that is halogen content aromatic compound, reduces its halogen atom and it gives benzene ring. So यसमा हामीले as a reducing agent nickel aluminum or NaOH or KOH can be used to give a benzene. So chlorobenzene reacts when is treated with these reducing agent. It gives benzene and HCl. The third type of chemical properties are electrophilic substitution reaction. So electrophiles are generally the opposite of nucleophiles. So nucleophiles मा के हुन्छ? Nucleophiles are electron rich species, whereas electrophiles are electron deficit species. So in halobenzene, electrophile substitution reaction takes place at ortho and para positions. So ortho position and para position भनेको we already know. So if this is a root, then this one is ortho, this one is meta and this one is para. So this one is due to the resonance effect. Now some of the electrophilic substitution reactions are, first is halogenation. So in this, the replacement of H atom of benzene ring by X atom. So it is already a haloarene. यसलाई फेरि हामीले कुनै पनि halogen gas सँग react गराएर in presence of FeCl3 and in dark, the ortho position मा and para position मा के हुन्छ भने क्लोरिन कि त अरु कुनै halogen atom attach हुन्छ. So it simply gives ortho dichlorobenzene and P, that is para dichlorobenzene. यसमा हामीले हेर्न सक्छौं कि para opposite मा भएर यसले balance गर्न सजिलो हुन्छ. That's why it is major product and it is minor. The next one is nitration reaction. In this reaction, the replacement of H atom of benzene ring with NO2 group. यसमा के हुन्छ भने क्लोरोबेन्जिन छ, यसलाई हामीले HNO3 एसिड, that is कंक सँग रियाक्ट गरायो भने यसले के गर्छ, यहाँ भएको जुन हाइड्रोजन, there is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen and here also hydrogen. So यहाँबाट कुनै एउटा हाइड्रोजनलाई रिप्लेस गर्छ with NO2 group and it gives नाइट्रोक्लोरोबेन्जिन. यसमा पनि दुई टाइपको प्रोडक्ट हामीले हेर्न सक्छौं, एउटा अर्थो and next one is para, and the para is a major product. The next type of electrophilic substitution reaction is sulfonation reaction. In this, the sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, is reacted with chlorobenzene and the SO3H group is attached at two positions. These are ortho position and the para position. The next type of reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, when chlorobenzene reacts with chloromethane, so we can say this reaction takes place between haloarenes and haloalkanes. So यो रिएक्सनमा haloalkane and haloarenes are reacted in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, and it gives orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene. सिम्पली हामीले भन्न सक्छौँ यो चाहिँ के हो बेन्जिन इफ यही बेन्जिन रिङमा एउटा मिथाइल द्याट इज CH3 इज अट्याच देन इट इज नोन एज टोलिन सो यो टोलिन हुने भयो यति हामीले हेर्यो भने यो के हो टोलिन योमा क्लोरिन एटम अट्याच भएर यसलाई के बनाएको क्लोरोटोलिन सो दिस इज क्लोरोटोलिन एन्ड दिस इज क्लोरोटोलिन एज वेल बट यसको पोजिसनले गर्दा यो अर्थोक्लोरोटोलिन एन्ड दिस इज प्याराक्लोरोटोलिन द नेक्स्ट वान इज Friedel-Crafts एसाइलेसन यसमा के हो क्लोरोबेन्जिन being a aromatic compound when it reacts with non-aromatic compound that is ethanol chloride it gives O chloroacetophenone and this one is para so यसमा त पोजिसनले गर्दाखेरि this is ortho and this is para we already know and the reaction is Cl is already here and this group COCH3 is attached with the aromatic ring or we can also simply say this so here so this is chlorobenzene and the next one is CH3CO whole twice and oxygen that is ethanoic anhydride and it gives ortho position ma and para so यहाँबाट हामीले यो पनि भेट्न सक्छौँ कि मेटा पोजिसनमा जेनरली कुनै पनि फङ्सनल ग्रुप अट्याच हुँदैन जेनरली हामीसँग के हुन्छ अर्थो ग्रुपमा अट्याच कि त प्यारा ग्रुपमा सो द नेक्स्ट रिएक्सन इज एक्सन विथ सोडियम सो हामीले अहिलेसम्म के पर्यो न्युक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्युसन देन आफ्टर रिडक्सन देन आफ्टर इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक now the next one is action with metals so metals ma hami generally sodium metal sanga when chlorobenzene is reacted then it gives diphenyl so एउटा phenyl group को एउटा so यहाँ हामीले हेर्न सक्छौं कि phenol and phenyl को डिफरेन्स so phenyl भनेको simply so this is phenyl whereas phenol मा के हुन्छ OH here OH functional group is attached so this is diphenyl that is alkyl जस्तै when हामीले R भन्छौं नि RX मा R के हो alkyl similarly benzene ring मा there is X so हामीले यसलाई के भन्न सक्छौं phenyl similar छ alkyl and this one is phenyl so that is called as a fitting reaction मा के हुन्छ chlorobenzene reacts with two molecule of chlorobenzene reacts with sodium to gives a diphenyl and Wood's fitting reaction when chlorobenzene reacts with CH3Cl it gives toluene and NaCl as its byproduct the next type is action with chloral so chloral कहाँ हामीले योभन्दा पहिला पढाएको थियौं भने at the preparation of chloroform preparation of CCl4 preparation of chloroform मा यो सेकेन्ड स्टेपमा क्लोरल फर्म भएको थियो सो हाम्रो जुन हेलोएरिन छ त्यसलाई हामीले when it reacts with chloral it gives diphenyl trichloroethane that is DDT so हामीले DDT पहिला पनि सुने होला it is used simply for insecticides so यो भनेको diphenyl and trichloroethane so यो रिएक्सन हो इक्जाममा सोध्न सक्छ कि डिडिटीको फुल फर्म एन्ड इट्स स्ट्रक्चर और विच रियाक्सन गिभ्स डिडिटी एज इट्स मेजर प्रडक्ट। त्यसमा हामीले एक्सन विथ क्लोरल लेख्न सक्नु पऱ्यो। वेन क्लोरिल बेन्जिन द्याट इज टु मोलिक्युल अफ क्लोरोबेन्जिन रियाक्ट्स विथ क्लोरल इट गिभ्स डाइक्लोरो डाइफिनाइल ट्राइक्लोरो इथेन। अब युजेज अफ क्लोरोबेन्जिन, सो हामी हेर्न सक्छौँ कि द क्लोरोबेन्जिन्स आर युज फर प्रिपरेसन और म्यानुफ्याक्चरिङ अफ डिडी, फेनोल, एनिलिन एन्ड डाइफिनाइल। सो यो अर्ग्यानिक कम्पाउन्डहरू बनाउनको लागि जेनरली हामीले हेलो अल्किन हेलोएरिन्सको युज गर्छौँ। सो यो चाहिँ हेलोएरिनको बारेमा